Sharif, member, and Mr. S.D. Sharma, senior consultant, and lastly, Justice C. B.N. Krishna, chairman of the committee. Hello. I made a mistake. I could have worn dark glasses like film actors. That is how they protect their eyes. Okay. Now, this is just a preliminary meeting. This is just a preliminary meeting. We are just trying to find out what kind of arrangements have been made so that when we meet the people, we are in a position to interact with them. We also want to take a look at the ground in order to understand it for ourselves. And we also want to face the media barrage so that we know what we are in for. Now, we have another 5 minutes in which we can interact with you. If you have any interesting questions, you can throw it at me. I will answer them. Mr. Duggal will answer to the best of our ability. At this stage, there is not much that we can say.
So there are few parties which are trying to avoid you, and they're saying that this committee does not exist for us as, we are partial. So what do you have to say on that, and how do you convince them so that we can get the, whatever views are there?
See, the point is, when we started, nobody wanted it. But when they think that we are doing something good, that the intention is good, people will come round. It's not that. Initial reaction is नाना कहते हाँ करने लगेंगे. भैया पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से नहीं, आम आदमी के राय लेंगे. चीफ सेक्रेटरी तो एक आदमी है. We are not even bothered to go what the Andhra Pradesh government has to say. We want to know what is this agitation about, why people want this kind of separate Telangana, why is there in opposition to it. आम आदमी का राय लेना है हमें. One second. Okay. There were reports there. Can you introduce yourself and then? Yes, I am Roxy from Second Congress. There were reports that you said the political parties need not be very specific when they give their views. But there is also an impression hey, how can you run a democracy like this? Yes. There is also an impression that because of the double standards or the expressed by the political parties, leading to this kind of situation. So instead of asking them to be very specific in their view, why allowing it to them to continue their No, we have said whatever you want to say, you please tell it. You want to have double standards, we'll examine it. You want to have triple standards, we'll examine it. You want to have a solid single standard, we'll examine it. Now whatever you want to throw it on the table, we'll examine it. Okay. Yes. Any other question? How many days you are spending in a month? Today and tomorrow right now, we will chop out the plan. We will publicize it so that people will know we are here. And as long as you don't do this kind of trouble to me, I will be able to listen to people. Okay, just one second. Yes. Oh, that is one thing I am sure about. Whatever happens, yes. Yes. Makes no difference. Makes no difference. This will be done. See, the question is not what is binding this. The government has not constituted the committee to bind itself. The government has constituted the committee to understand what exactly is the ground situation. And that to be understood in an impartial manner without tilting one way or the other. That is the purpose of the committee. Thereafter it is up to the government to government to decide what it wants to do.
सर मैं सुरेखा बोल रही हूँ सर सहारा टीवी से। तो आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं, छात्र हैं और अलग अलग संघ हैं जो इसका विरोध कर रहे हैं। आपको लगता है कि इस तरह के विरोध प्रदर्शन से कहीं ना कहीं आपको भी दिक्कत होगी असलियत जानने में और ग्राउंड लेवल पे जाने में?
हाँ, अगर लोग हमसे कोऑपरेट करते हैं, लोग हमको मदद करते हैं असलियत जानने में, तो अच्छी बात है। अगर वो विरोध करते हैं तो ठीक है, विरोध आप कीजिए। बेशक विरोध करने में कोई डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब ही है विरोध करना, लेकिन विरोध ऐसे कीजिए कि आपके विरोध में कोई ना कोई बात निकल आए।
Sir, this is Maleshwar from ABN, sir. Yes, sir, this is Maleshwar from ABN Advocacy. I can't see who's asking this.
Raise your hand.
Some of the public are complaining about the committee receiving by the committee. We are calling to that number which are given by the committee and they are not responding to in English or Telugu.
No,
We want to tell our opinions in Telugu, but they are not.
See, it is not possible to talk to everybody on telephone. That is why we have asked for whatever, even if you want to write a postcard, address it to write in Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, any of the 26 languages in this country, I can read.
But they are also complaining about these memorandum also. We are not getting any acknowledgement for that. They are saying like that.
You see, we have given 30 days time for giving the memoranda or the representation. The numbers that are pouring in are in hundreds. I assure you, each and every memorandum that is being received is being diaried, is being examined, is being read, is being analyzed. A very large number are just emotional memorandums. Give us the same. But there are a very good number which are fact-based, which have given us a huge secondary data, which have created the history of the whole movement and so on and so forth. You trust me, each and every one will be acknowledged. And as the chairman has said, there will be fullest attention given to every viewpoint expressed. So, language also there are interpreters. If a memorandum has come in Telugu, it is being interpreted in English. In fact, even to the state government, we have requested to put 2 interpreters for every hearing, so that and translators, so that if people are speaking in Telugu, all members may not understand Telugu. That is not the purpose. So that every contention that is made is clearly understood. I just want to say one thing: where the acknowledgement is concerned, these will be acknowledged. It is just, it is just the early days. The office is just set up. Please assure, I want to assure everybody who has said that each and every memorandum received is being taken full note of and is being taken full care of. Thank you. One at a time, Hindu.
Sometime after the last date for the memoranda is over. Let the last date be over and then we'll start.
Sir,
after that.
So you said you are making efforts to reach out to the people. What is the fine line you are drawing? I mean, you're making the effort to reach out to all people or not?
Reach out in what? Reach out in the sense of public notice saying that whatever you want to say on the issue, please let us know. Now, whether you are a cobbler on the street, a student, a politician, an industrialist, a technocrat, whatever you are, you can tell us what you feel in the matter. We look into it. That is reaching out.
सर कई लोग आपको
One at a time. Yes, just complete your question, please.
What about the people who are opposing the committee?
They are entitled to support it. We hear them also. Because there are always two sets of questions, isn't it?
Yes, please.
Sir, most of the political parties are select on the different views within a political party. Now, how do you take opinions of political parties? Will you take it from the president? How will you take
We have invited them to give us. It is up to the political party has 15 opinions. We are not in a position to help them. We don't mind even if all the 15 opinions come to us. But if the political party thinks that it's going to be only one opinion, that you see, we are looking to the president. Then it will be taken on board, huh?
Because this is Arkumar from AGV. How many reports you have received till now?
We are receiving
large number of simply emotional one-page memorandums that but there are some very good, well-researched things. Everything is missing. As a matter of fact, we don't want to get into details. Each member of the committee is being apprised. The relevant memoranda, they are being summarized, they are being distinct, and documents are being shared. But it is just early days. So don't worry. I want to assure you, actually the media is playing a very positive role. You people are doing more publicity to this committee than the public notice has. So, we are receiving, my telephone does not stop ringing. I assure you from morning till evening. One person is only taking calls, only on this issue. And the email is silent. There are so many emails per day, and by mail so many numbers. But every paper that comes to the committee's office will be given due attention and due respect. That is something.
Justice Sri Krishna